Jinky Energy's AC Energy Saver recycles the condensation water and improves the AC's cooling efficiency by more than 10%. With a low price, it has a recuperation period of only 4 to 8 months. If you have clients who are in the hotel industry or have a large demand for AC energy efficiency, or if you're in the HVAC industry, you're welcome to join our live stream by clicking on our profile picture to listen to more detailed explanations and to purchase a product. Thank you.